Good morning, everyone. I will give some important key points to score centum in Science 2. Totally, there are 23 units in Science. But in Science 2, there are 12 units from unit number 12 to 23. Out of 12 units, unit number 13, 15 and 23 are fully reduced portions. Other units also, some subheadings are reduced. From these reduced portions won't come any questions in board examination. First, see the 10th standard science model question paper. Total marks in science 75 plus 25 is equal to 100 marks. 75 marks from theory part, 25 marks from practical part. In theory part, out of 75 marks, 35 marks from Science 1 and other 35 marks from Science 2. The question paper contains 4 parts. Part 1 having 12 marks, Part 2 having 14 marks, Part 3 having 28 marks, Part 4 having 21 marks. Totally 75 marks. First, you will see Part 1. Answer all questions. They are choose the most suitable answer and write the code with the corresponding answer. There are 12 questions. Out of 12, question number 7 to 12 contain Science 2. Each question carries 1 mark. Next goes to Part 2. Answer any 7 questions, including compulsory. Out of 10, question number 18 to 21 contain Science 2. Each question carries 2 marks. For example, write the functions of RBC. This is 2 mark question. So, you should write 2 points only. Each point carries 1 mark. Totally 2 marks. Next type, match question. You should write question as well as answer in your answer sheet. Okay. One more type, diagram. It's having A, B, C, D are given in the question. So, you should write the answer A, B, C, D. Don't draw the diagram. Sometimes diagram was given. Ask the question, mark the parts. At the time, you should draw the diagram and mark 4 parts enough. Each part having half a mark. So, 4 into half, 2 marks. Students mostly avoid diagram in 2 marks. You should choose theory part. Okay. Next goes to part 3. Answer any 7 questions, including compulsory. Out of 10 questions, question number 26 to 31 contain Science 2. Each question carries 4 marks. For example, diagram type of questions. Marks are splitted. Diagram plus parts gives 1 mark. Explanation. You should write 6 points. That is 3 marks. Each point carries half a mark. Totally 4 marks. Next goes to part 4. Answer all questions. They are internal choice questions. Each question carries 7 marks. In Science 2, question number 35 only. This type of questions, marks are also splitted. See question number 35. Question was divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Or second type of questions divided into 1, 2. Suppose give 3 division question means first division carries 2 marks. So you should write 2 points. Second division carries 2 marks. You should write 2 points only. and third division carries 3 marks. You should write 3 points only. 10th Standard Science 2 Academic Year 2021-22 Reduced Syllabus Unit 12 Plant Anatomy and Plant Physiology and Unit 14 Transportation in Plants and Circulation in Animals. The following subheadings are included in Unit 12 and 14 reduced portions. Unit 16 Plant and Animal Hormones, Unit 17 Reproduction in Plants and Animals, Unit 18 Genetics, Unit 19 Origin and Evolution of Life, and Unit 20 Breeding and Biotechnology. The following subheadings are included in Unit 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 reduced portions. Unit 21 Health and Diseases and Unit 22 Environmental Management. The following subheadings are included in Unit 21 and 22 reduced portions. Students, all the best. Thank you.